Hey creators, today we are doing a head-to-head comparison between Nano Banana by Google and Seedream 4.0. Instead of just taking theory, we will run actual prompts with milk characters. Initially, here are two images that are comparing both models. So you can see which AI gives sharper, more consistent and more realistic results. Before starting the video, it's necessary to mention that watch the video till end. We will guide about our giveaway or shoutout. If we talk about Nano Banana, it's great at identity, consistency, and natural edits. If you want the same person across different backgrounds or styles, it's usually done well. Whereas Seedream delivers true 4K high resolution, handles multiple objects and details in prompts, and keep characters consistent across even multiple renders. About how to use Seedream, you can download an app that supports this model, install like Run Comfy, and select model Seedream 4.0. Here you can have input method like text to image, upload a photo or other like that. Here I am using Flux AI. It gives limited character for free account, but just to give a demo I am using this. So let's start with some real examples to compare both models, that is Nano Banana and Seedream AI. Here is the prompt: a hyper-realistic portrait of a 30-year-old man with beard, wearing a white shirt, shot on a DSLR camera with studio lighting. We put it to both models. Here we have generated images in both Nano Banana and Seedreams. You can see Seedreams being more details and give a better results than Nano Banana. Now we are going to put another example or a prompt to analyze in a better way. It's a full body photo of a young man wearing a black suit, standing confidently in a hotel room. Here you can see the result of both the AI tools. Let's see with another example with a prompt poster featuring a man in a leather jacket with the text feature here in bold red font. So we have compared both the models. Now give your opinion about these results in the comment box. Now if we talk about the giveaway or shout out, you have just to follow three simple steps. Be a subscriber of this channel, like the video, leave a comment below, and your comment should be about this video. That's all you need to do. The winner will get a special shout out in our next video, and we will also post the winner's name in the community tab.